Awesome experience talaga ang Daang Kalikasan. The feeling of being one with nature, high above the plains of the lands, and being near with the clouds, driving along the road on top of the mountains. Knowing that God created all these majestic mountains, undisturbed forests, and vast landscapes. Before, siya lang ang nakakita nito. But now, we have a chance to marvel in awe. Appreciate all its nature, take pictures, and create memories of our own. Yung tipong tinatanong mo lang sumalayo yung dating bundok. Pero ngayon, nakatayo ka na mismo. Dito ka rin pwedeng sumigaw at ilabas ng lahat ng nasa loob mo. Heartbreaks, disappointments, and all your dismays. Lahat ng hugot mo. You can shout out all your praises and thanksgivings, joys and dreams. Kaya ko to! Sigaw mo lang kung ano nasa puso mo. Lakas makaradis, promise. Sa totoo lang, I was told na close nga daw ang Daang Kalikasan due to the pandemic. But I have this instinct as an adventurer, palabon. Naisip ko lang to go and find out for myself. And it's all worth it whether makarating o hindi. Kaya nga kahit sa paanan lang ng bundok, sold na ako, sabi ko sa sarili. I got there sobrang aga, and I believe God has opened not only a door, but the gate going to the mountains. Hindi ko talaga napansin yung checkpoint dahil wala rin naman harang. No disrespect for the authorities ha. If pinatigil naman me at hindi pwede talaga, I will comply and go back naman. But it didn't happen. Kaya I'm sharing my experience sa inyo ngayon. My take home, I got 3 things. Minsan, huwag mo hayaang pigilin ka ng mga sinasabi ng iba. If you have good intentions naman, have faith and go. You have to find out for yourself. You'll never know what is in store for you. Then the opportunity will be opened just for you. Just be there. I once heard a message that showing up has given you already a 90% of success. Second is we may be too small for the mountains, but we can make a big impact in preserving its beauty, making it safe and clean. Sana respeto at mangibabaw pa rin ang kagandahan ng kalikasan, kahit na magkaroon ng mga future establishments. A few view deck will do. That's it, and leave it as it should be, as the world will be amazed by it. Thirdly, and when you're finally there, I hope the first thing you will do is take a moment to reflect, breathe, sit, and immerse yourself with nature. Thank God for the opportunity in His wonderful creation. Ito yung time for silence bago misigaw yung mga nasa loob mo. Yung hindi lang literally dumaan ka ng Daang Kalikasan or take pictures, etc. But have your own pilgrimage while there. And when you go down from the mountains, you discover, realize something, and somehow got a better person of yourself. My take home, ika nga. Until then mga ka-journey, I hope you enjoyed this video. Till my next adventure, always remember that life is a beautiful ride. Always travel by heart. Keep safe mga ka-journey! As for updates, the map shows kung hanggang saan na ang nagawang kalsada. Thanks for watching!